Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then you need to access background apps. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, click on this square button. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open as window. As you can see, now I can use it in this little window. If you want to move it around, hold this blue line at the top and drag it. If you want to use it to overlay the other app, just click on the other one and operate in both. You can always turn your app into a bubble by clicking on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. In order to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you want to close it now, you can click on X at the top right one. You can also turn your app into a bubble by clicking on this button next to full screen one, and then close it by dragging it to this X area. If that happens, just tap on Open as window again. In order to close it, click on the bubble, hold it, and then drag it to remove area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!